Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today I have here for you another installation video. It's about these grill trims, so official BRP part, genuine part. And because as it is quite common with BRP parts, they will not give, if you buy it, they will not give you a manual because they want you to install it in BRP Service Center. So I'm gonna put it on this RYKER 900. Then I'm turning into a Bloody Mary, and you can see that video on my YouTube channel, but that's the different story. So I'll show you what you need, how to do it. We will try to be fast, and what's in the box. All right? So enough of this. Let's get started. Let's start with something like unboxing. So what you will find in the box, of course, the grill trims. I believe they come only in one color, but I will be actually wrapping them into a Bloody Mary style. By the way, do you know how much these cost? Well, you're watching installation video, probably no, but $245 for a set of 2 plastic grill trims. It's probably more expensive than cocaine, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, then what you will get are these support things or support kit. It's also an alignment kit. I will get to that later in the video. What is this? Isolating pad. They said you might not need it, but you will get 2 of them. Bolts and bushings and washers, whatever. So that's it. And of course, very important, health and safety warning manual. But as I told you, no regular manual. Then on the other side, what you will need a drilling machine, 5.5 millimeter one. So, yep. You will need, how it is called in English, I don't know. But 8 millimeter, this one. I'm not good in these things. And you need T25, what it is, Torx. Anyway, T25, this one. You can tell me in the comments like how it is called. I keep forgetting. So that's it, what you need. Now we need to remove the front mask. I'll show it to you, but if you don't know how to remove the front mask, don't do this installation. That's my advice, all right? Because it is an installation video, I'll show you how to, of course, remove the mask, but it's very easy. So front hood needs to go first. You have 2 pins here, just push them and it will be released, very easy. Then with the front mask, I don't like to give really tips. Everybody have a different grip. The most important thing is don't forget to remove bolts underneath of the bike. And then what I usually do, I remove one part and then I slide it this way, kind of. Just gently, just be gentle, because, you know, it's a little bit, it can get a little bit fragile, so you don't want to destroy those things. It can get quite expensive. Now, how to prepare the holes for drilling and how to align the whole thing. You have this support kit that actually has a roll of alignment kit. It's quite smartly done because you have this part here that you will break at the end of the process. So what you will need to do, you need to just go from the bottom to the top, and don't worry about this hole. This is from radiator protector. So go like this. You will feel here that it stops. So I'm right on the edge, and then what I need to do is just I need to see if I'm aligned here with the shape. And actually, it's hard to explain, but you know, the whole kit will not really move you a lot. Maybe like few millimeters, maybe, not even millimeters. So you should be all fine. You should not really make any major mistakes. So it's all there. I can see I'm aligned here. I'm on the top there. I will just make, you know, marks. I'm sorry to say, actually, there are 2 types of bolts in the packaging, and what you will need to take now is this hexagonal thing, and you will need actually 8 millimeter hexagonal screwdriver. Okay, whatever. You got the point. And gold goes to gold. So take this support kit and, you know, just put it in there. That's it. Just don't go over aggressive. You don't want to, you know, break any parts, but make sure they are tight. Now, from this part, what we will need to do, we need to remove actually this alignment thing. I don't know what they're saying now. It should be done before, but now the last part is, of course, obviously drilling the top holes of this grill trim. And how it works, you have this area, this space, and you will put it on this support kit. So just like this. Now, it's very simple basically. You cannot do any mistakes. The only thing maybe I would advise you, have a look also on internet about pictures. Just don't go way too much like this, or don't go way too much like this. You would like to be, you know, align here like just a tiny bit. There is still a tiny bit of space right over here. That's how I think it looks the nicest, because, you know, it's in shape also in here. So this is my good and sweet spot that I like it, maybe like this. And now just mark, you know, 2 holes. I can tell you one thing, it's quite difficult to record a video and do the installation at the same time, and not to have everything shaky and stuff like that. So, but I manage. All right. Now guys, one thing towards this isolation 3M tape, whatever, they say that when there is a gap, and it's hard to show you, but hopefully you are able to see it, in case there is a gap in here between the trim and the supporting kit, which there is a tiny gap, and I don't know, I don't want to hear it? I don't want to hear rattling. So what I will do on the other side, I will apply this 3M tape, and how it goes right under the bolts here, and it goes right on the edge over here. So once you're on the edge here, you're all good. So the installation now is over, and it took me something like, let's say 30 minutes. So it's not really difficult installation. The only part that is a little bit tricky is that you need to drill holes into your bike, and you should not make any mistake, because everything will be screwed basically, and it's hard to fix. By the way, in case you like these how-to videos and installation videos, go to the MartinTheVlogger.com, probably the largest vlog and blog about Can Am on-road vehicles, and there is a section manuals and how-to. So just go there and have a look on various installations. Now, what I have noticed, I told you one of the, I think it was the last thing, was the 3M tape to fill the gap between trim and the support kit. The only thing that I have noticed once it's on the bike is that when I have the tape, this side has a tape, this side don't. It's a tiny bit bigger gap between the face mask or grill side and the trim. It's not that big deal, but it's obvious that this doesn't rattle. This rattles a little, so I need to take it down because I will be wrapping the bike, but definitely the 3M tape goes there as well. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit dislike if you like, it's up to you. But most importantly, remember, always have fun, and visit MartinTheVlogger.com.